more trip planned into the mountains to go snowboarding. It's Sunday and caught wind of a little bit of snow, and so we're heading up to Winter Park. I was trying to get up to Steamboat one last time this year, but it just wasn't in the cards. I had too much to do. But we're heading up today to see what we can find. The snow looks pretty good, man. This is so rad. I've been blessed all season, and it makes sense that I'd get a nice little epic spring snowstorm on what could be my last trip into the mountains. I don't know. I might get one more in, but no promises. So you guys remember my last Winter Park video, and I was like, if it's snowing, this is definitely a hairy traverse. Yeah, baby. I've got it in second gear, and I still feel like I'm going a little too fast. So this road gets real gnarly when it's snowing, and it depends on if you're on the incline or the decline, but going down always wigs me out a little bit more than going up. You know, worst thing that can happen going up is you spin out and don't go anywhere, but when you're going down, you just got to control your speed. Man, look at this, so dope, so cool. I love epic weather. I love nature so much. Well, I came over to Mary Jane because I wanted to get up on the Panoramic lift again. Such a rad lift, and it's closed. I broke my helmet strap, so after 7 years, it's finally time to retire the motocross helmet. I get so many comments on this thing, but today I finally bit the bullet, so. Hi, Lonesome! And Super Gauge. Let's go down Super Gauge. I was looking at that one earlier, and it looked the most inviting. And then, of course, I didn't listen to myself. Went down Mary Jane, but it was so bumpy, man. Like, packed down ice with about 1.5 feet of snow on top. So you'd be just smashing powder and then just hit these crispy hills. Maybe if we get lucky, we're gonna get some blue sky.
Yep. Yeah.
And it's so nice and warm already. That's the second time I've done that. Veered off trying to find a particular trail, and I just miss it. I think it's in between the trees. I don't know. It is so gorgeous out today. Lots of snow, lots of powder. Gotten stuck a few times, that's a good thing. I'm heading down to the village base, see if I can catch a little bit of grub. But mainly, I've can't get my words out. I've wanted to take the line down Zephyr twice, and I keep like getting up to the top and then going off to familiar territory. So I want to get back down to the base, take Zephyr up, and then hit that line because it looked so soft and beautiful. I don't know if this is the end of the season or not for me, but if it is, it's been an awesome one. I don't think I've had so much fun in the winter in Colorado in the entirety of being here. So I definitely encourage everybody to get out and explore all these mountains. Every single one of them's got something cool, and different to offer. What I like about Winter Park the most is it's just so big. There's like 3 or 4 mountains to play on, and even like days like today where the panoramic lift is closed, there's so many other spots. There's just more than enough room for everyone to play. So as long as the snow's good, boarding's good. Love you guys. Talk to you soon. Almost forgot my signature. Peace.